Hi, I'm Joe Lipsky. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Florida, and my job is to represent victims who've been seriously injured in accidents. I help people throughout the state who've been involved in any type of personal injury case, including car accidents, slip and falls, and attacks on other business properties. With my team here in our office, I handle all the cases personally. Unlike many attorneys who do personal injury work, every case that comes into my office is handled solely from beginning to end by me. And courtrooms and trials is where I get justice for my clients, whether it be for your medical bills, your lost wages, or your pain and suffering. We use the latest technology. Our office is completely paperless. We use iPads at trial. We are on the cutting edge to do everything we can to maximize our recovery for you. I have more than 20 years of personal injury experience trying cases on behalf of victims who've been injured in any type of accident here in Florida. I have clients who I've represented from across the United States, South America, Central America, and Europe. We handle all types of cases, and we get maximum results for our clients based on one thing: dedication and hard work. If you hire us, if you allow us the privilege of working on your case, you will have us working full-time as your attorneys and your advocates. We fight to get you everything you're entitled to, and we do not rest until we're able to do that.